Hi there, it's Jamie Beeler, Independent Director with 31 Gifts, and I have another new spring-summer product to show you. This is our Packaway Duffle. Yes, that's right, I said duffel bag. How cool is this? It all folds up into exterior pocket for storage, which makes it great for packing to take with you, and then let's say you come home with a little bit extra than what you left with, like some souvenirs or things like that, then you have a bag to put them in. So this is our rose pink tie-dye print. It also comes in a navy and leaf green color block as well as whisper gray color block. So you have your two straps here, your little duffel straps. This is the front pocket that it was tucked inside of. It has a double-sided or reversible zipper on it. It also comes with an extendable shoulder strap. This extends out to 54 inches. And then on either end of it, you have an elastic pocket. So one here, and then another one down here on this end. It has a zipper closure, actually double zip closure. And on the inside, you have two elastic mesh pockets. So this is a great little weekend travel bag. Like I said, if you're going somewhere and you come home with a little extra, this is great to just, pack up and have in your suitcase and then use it to bring home your souvenirs and different things that you get. So that is the Packaway Duffle. I would love to hear what you think about it. Make sure you comment below and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.